We are in this lovely neighborhood called Madeira. Done lots of jobs in here. This goes all the way to the intercoastal and starts around US 1. Beautiful neighborhood, lots of Spanish tile roofs, and everybody gets something in their backyard done around here. Beautiful lake out back. So let's kind of start this design. It quite evolved from the inception, kind of some changes, some add-ons. I love it because we got, there again, every inch out of this beautiful yard. From the beautiful shell-lock paver system, nice and cool on your feet, no maintenance. One of our most popular items to do an upgrade on. A beautiful outdoor kitchen. You can see people love, and I believe we were the first to do this, the free-floating countertops. So we use the same cypress material, the big, nice, bulky, the 8x8 cypress. Same thing we used on Mr. Pergola on both sides. So we built this nice free-floating top, and it really makes for great seating all the way around. You don't obstruct the view going out to the lake. Also great for a pool, because if you have little children, you want to keep your eyes on them. We know little kids are. We all get a little worried sometimes, but you can't see them by a pool. But with the outdoor kitchen, you can see up under it. One of my favorites, the Ferrari yellow Alfa oven. This is made in Italy, not China, not Vietnam, not Asia. This is made in Italy. The crate that it comes in feels like a big giant wine crate. A very cool piece to keep as well. I love it because this is a dual fuel. You can do wood and do gas and maintain the heat. This thing will get up 700-800 degrees. And don't think, that's more than just pizza. Bread, cobbler, steaks, Italian dishes, anything baked. Multiple features. You can also find the chef that Alfa endorses on YouTube, just like us. Find us on YouTube. We have more videos than anybody. We've got a True Flame grill, door drawer combo. This is a 32-inch grill with 4 burners. They have independent heat deflectors on the inside so you can maintain different temperatures. And of course, a side burner. A lot of people have a side burner for reasons they might want to have a omelet, some smokies, or what I like, the little saucer links, whatever you call them. Love that stuff. We put up a little 2-foot Bahama style, kind of a backsplash privacy wall. Multiple uses for this. We can go all the way to the ceiling. We can put some creeping vine in it. And it creates, the air can still flow through. We did a polycarbonate system on here, a shade system. And there again, all cypress. You've got 2 retractable screens. So the bugs do come around. Also, we got another feature out here. This is beautiful. So we've had to have a little cover area for the hot tub. And I really think that this is it's pretty neat, because there again, we got a privacy wall. Because sometimes those neighbors like to check us out a little bit too much. I'm just joking. They just want to have fun too, right? So we got a privacy wall, great for decorating. Or if you're a gardener, you can put baskets on the wall. All sorts of cool things to do with these privacy walls. So there again, shade protection over the spa, a beautiful walkway, landscaping, and you see this yard did have a little bit of a slope. So we took advantage of it, got more space, didn't create a step down. We built this one up, and we also put the paver lights, the 6x9 paver lights inside the pavers. These give a nice warm glow at night. Maybe if you're walking by, you might not step off the edge and have a little trip. Love these for safety and ambiance. This is ambiance here. I couldn't imagine this yard. I mean, we got every inch out of this one. You also get a wet bar. Very, very popular. So when you clean all your food up, when you have a lot of appliances, you can have another staging area. So we got a nice, solid stainless fridge, a trash slide, and an access door up under the 18x18 undermount sink, deep well. Also serves as an ice bin. We can put the stopper on the inside, fill it up with ice, have the kids some Capri Sun, some Gatorade, and just another multi-feature product that we have. So love this job, great customer, 5-star review, and you know, bon appetit, because here you get a lot of cooking done. Once again, you'll have a happy day. We're almost to the weekend. That means I'm gonna do me a little swimming somewhere. So y'all have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. See ya.